This video highlights the changes we have made to MoversSuite at version 2016 R17. Gone is the dark background that was prevalent within the MoversSuite application. The background color is now white. This change affects the appearance of the entire application. This includes the content screen, order information, local dispatch, and within subscreens and dialogues as well. Our goal with this change is to provide a cleaner look to the application and make it easier to identify buttons, fields, and text. You now have the option to import a Word file directly into a letter management template. This feature allows you to take your existing Word documents, such as those with Word bookmarks, and create a template based on its information. To use this feature, either open an existing template or create a new template within the Manage Letter screen. In this example, you are creating a new template. A new File tab is available through the Letter Designer window. Open this menu and click on Import from File to initiate the import process. The application prompts you to select a document file from your environment. In this example, you wish to import a generic thank you letter. Select this file and press Open. The body of the template updates to include all data from the file, including all Word bookmarks. It also converts those old-style bookmarks into the new letter management bookmarks for you. For example, the shipper bookmark, which is the old-style bookmark that displays the full name on the order, converts to the new shipper name bookmark. One benefit of importing these documents into the new template is the ability to use a bookmark multiple times in the same document. For example, if you wish to have the shipper's name appear 3 times in your document, then you can add this bookmark 3 separate times in the template. Pressing Save adds this new template to the system. You can export a template as well. This saves a copy of the template as a Word file to your environment. Access to this option is also available through the File menu within the Letter Designer. The application prompts you to select a location where the document will be saved. Enter a name for the file and press Save. You can access this file as you would any Word document. Further, if your company is split between multiple systems, you can use the Import from File option to load the file into MoversSuite running on one or more of these disparate systems. On a related note, we added support for the Word bookmark of BCSZ. This old-style bookmark displays the city, state, and zip code of the branch of the order. If you import a document containing the BCSZ bookmark, the application automatically converts the information behind the text to link to the letter management bookmark of branch city, state, and postal code. If you take advantage of operational plans, then you might be interested to know that we added the ability to clear or decline the plan as a whole through requested services. On the Requested Services screen, a new tab is available. This tab lists all requests pending for operational plans sent to dispatch. Only services associated to a plan display within this tab. The count of services for all plans displays within the tab label. Likewise, the Requested Services tab lists services not associated to any operational plan. The count of services not affiliated with the plan lists in this label as well. The data grid automatically groups the services by the plan. All services sent to dispatch list as detail items for the plan. The data available for each service is the same as that available through the Requested Services tab. Options here include the ability to accept or decline the plan. Accepting the plan makes all services linked to the plan available for crew assignments, whereas declining a plan sends it, including all services, back to local services for review and modifications. You have the ability to accept or decline a plan through a right-click menu as well. Additional options include the ability to view the order details, edit a service, and evoke the local service quick view. Refer to the operational plan topic in your online help for more information. In revenue entry, changes have been made to allow support for multiple third-party vendors on the same invoice. Prior to this release, if multiple vendors were linked to the same third-party invoice, then the items were combined into a single payable when imported into Dynamics GP. Now the application treats payable for each vendor as a separate item, even if there are multiple vendors on the same invoice. To assist you in this process, the Add, Edit, Third Party dialog has been modified. We swapped the vendor and invoice number fields. This allows you to select a vendor first. Then the application filters the list of default invoices to just those associated to the vendor. Additionally, when viewing the list of available third-party invoices, you can readily tell which vendor may already associate to that particular invoice. You continue to have the option to manually enter an invoice number as well. The Summary tab has also been updated to reflect each document created for each third-party item. We have made a number of improvements to the electronic payments system. From the Accounting Tools menu, you now have the option to capture electronic payment information. This opens the Capture New Payment Method screen, allowing you to quickly enter the payment information for the order. Prior to this release, you could only access this screen through the Payment Setup tab from within Recurring Billing Setup. In addition to linking the payment information to the order, you also have a new option to link the payment to the customer on the order. What this does is make the payment information available for the customer as well as for the order. When making a payment and this customer is associated to the order, the retained payment information displays as an option within the Payment Information on Hand selector. The Attach option is also available. If you have security access to the Electronic Payment Management module, then you can access the Payment Method Management screen directly from here as well. An administrative change to the Electronic Merchant Setup allows your company to define which payment types are available. Placing a check mark next to one of these options instructs the application to make this type available through the Payment and Capture screens. Unchecking them instructs the application to not make the choice available. For example, if your company wishes to only make credit cards available for electronic payments, then check this option and leave the other two options unchecked. Only the credit card option displays for the payment type within the Capture New Payment and the Credit Card Bank Payment screens. More information on these features and the improvements we have made to MoversSuite are detailed within this version of the online help. Thank you for watching our video on the changes made to MoversSuite at version 2016 R17.